I'm answering this question next. Hi and welcome to Safe Driver Training. And as you have seen from video thumbnail, I have received a very funny comment from one of my trainees completing online DG course. And the comment goes like this: if all DG class labels show the primary hazard, does that mean handling class 9 will turn you into a barcode? I understand that this is a very good joke, and of course handling class 9 dangerous goods won't turn you into a barcode, but that gives us a good opportunity to discuss class 9 and why it has black and white stripes on its label. The class 9 label is used for dangerous goods that don't fit into other hazard categories like flammables, toxics or explosives. So the black and white stripes on the top half of the label are simply there to grab your attention, as class 9 substances can have a wide range of hazards. For example, lithium batteries, UN number 3480 or UN number 3481. They are widely used in electronics, but they pose a fire and explosion risk. The next example, also class 9, dry ice, UN 1845. It's a solid form of carbon dioxide that can release gases, creating a suffocation hazard in confined spaces. As well as we have such substances like asbestos, UN number 2212, that can cause a lung disease when its fibers are inhaled. And the last example which I'll give you of class 9, it's environmentally hazardous substances like oils and various other products that pose a high risk to the environment, especially aquatic ecosystems like rivers and marine life. So the black and white stripes help to recognize this class from any other classes and alert handlers that the material has a specific risks, even if it doesn't fall under any other specific type hazards like flammable, toxic or explosives. If you enjoyed this video or you want to refresh your knowledge of how to handle DGs without doing a whole complete course in the classroom, we offer an online course where we break down the hard to understand DG rules in an easy to understand way. Plus, using the AI technology, you can translate our online course into any language you want to study it in. The link to access DG online course will be in the video description below. And as always, safe driving to you all.